let's talk about the product specifically that your company manufactures now for automotive that will also be available for heavy duty.
No, absolutely. So Chemours, we were formerly DuPont Refrigerants. So if you are familiar with DuPont Refrigerants, we manufacture HFC products under our Freon trademark. So 134A, big product used in the heavy duty space. That is our Freon 134A product. We make that in Texas. And then we also manufacture R1234YF, which will be the refrigerant of choice for heavy duty moving forward. And that product is also manufactured in Corpus Christi, Texas. So we have a long legacy of producing products, not just for automotive refrigerants, but for your home air conditioning system, for commercial refrigeration, for supermarkets that you walk into every day. This is a part of our portfolio that has been, a strong part of our business for decades.
Okay, that makes sense. So if I'm going to be in the position of someone who's selling this across the counter, I'm going to be selling it to my customers who maybe are some large fleets. When this product comes out, I assume it'll be available in different sizes. So you can sell it in some sort of bulk format. You can sell it over the counter to people who need it individually for their trucks, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you think about it, there's a part of our business that sells to the equipment manufacturer. So when the vehicles are made and they're initially charged, they're charged with 1234YF. And then the service side, when they, need service work, we sell through traditional distribution networks. So anyone who is buying 134A today will have an opportunity to work with their distributor to buy 1234YF. And for the commercial fleet, where they're already comfortable using recovery machines, RRR machines designed for 134A, those machines are already manufactured and are available to purchase for 1234YF. It's a different machine because it's a different refrigerant. But we sell that refrigerant in 10-pound cylinders and 25-pound cylinders, and they are designed to fit with and work with the existing RRR machines that are available to shop owners that are servicing heavy-duty 134A equipment today. Our 134A is a safety classification A1 non-flammable refrigerant. Our 1234YF is an A2L refrigerant. So if you think about it, A1 non-flammable, A3 is like propane, butane, highly flammable, high burning velocity, easy to ignite. But these A2L refrigerants are a separate safety classification. But because they are mildly flammable, they do require different equipment, which is why, a shop owner is going to need a separate recovery machine for 1234YF. And 1234YF is left-handed threaded so that you don't confuse it with your 134A equipment. So it's designed specifically to be obvious in its use. It's different from 134A. But again, just as the new equipment will be designed to handle 1234YF, the recovery machines are designed to handle it as well.